Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB mid-tower ATX PC case, just a quick note. The link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The CORSAIR 3500X ARGB is a standout choice for PC builders who want both performance and style. This mid-tower case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from mini IDX all the way up to ATX, making it versatile for various builds. One of its most striking features is the panoramic tempered glass panels that wrap around the front and side, offering an impressive view of your components and RGB lighting. Cooling is a major focus here. The case supports up to 10 120mm fans with mounting points on the side, roof, and PSU area, ensuring excellent airflow to keep your system running cool even under heavy loads. Included are 3 CORSAIR RS120 ARGB fans, which not only provide efficient cooling, but also add vibrant lighting effects controlled easily through your motherboard's plus 5V RGB header. This plug-and-play lighting setup means you get stunning visuals without complicated wiring or software. Another thoughtful design aspect is the compatibility with reverse connection motherboards, like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero. This allows cables to be routed behind the motherboard, maintaining a clean and unobstructed view through the tempered glass panels. The panels themselves are removable, making building and maintenance straightforward and hassle-free. Pros of the CORSAIR 3500X include its excellent cooling potential, gorgeous tempered glass design, versatile motherboard support, and the inclusion of pre-installed ARGB fans that simplify lighting control. On the downside, the tempered glass panels, while beautiful, can be a bit fragile and require careful handling. Additionally, the white color option, although sleek, may show dust and fingerprints more easily than darker cases. Overall, the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB mid-tower PC case is a fantastic option if you want a stylish, well-ventilated, and flexible chassis that highlights your build. Don't forget to check the pinned first comment for the discounted purchase link to get the best deal. Thanks for watching, and happy building!